is a demonstration to assemble the Eco Locker. The locker set consists of two side panels, back panel, baseboard, top board and the door. First take the side panels and fix them to the back panel by setting them into the grooves, like this. Now take the top board and place it onto the constructed side and back panel. Pick this entire set up and place it on top of the baseboard. The protrusions will go into the grooves of the baseboard. Once it is done, push the latch down to lock the side and the back panel to the base and the top board. Now pick up the door, push it into the mounting at the base, take out the hinge cap, push the spring hinge down and place it onto the mounting on the top board. Place the hinge cap back and the locker is constructed. Thank you. We will demonstrate how to disassemble the Eco Locker. Open the door, push down the hinge cap, pull down the spring lever, unmount the door from the base and the top. Now unlock the latches from the side panel and the back panel, from the baseboard as well as the top board, like this. Once done, pull out the unit from the baseboard. Proceed to pull out the top board and separate the side panels from the backboard. The locker is disassembled.